Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Zoxis. Today's video is a bit different. It is all about how to read research articles on Google Scholar. First, open your favorite browser. In my case, I would like to use Microsoft Edge. Now, head towards scholar.google.com. This is Google's dedicated platform for scholarly articles. Now, type in your topic like this. Now, there are tons of articles here, but I would like to tell you a way in which you can set a custom range between the dates. Click on custom range and set your custom range and then click search. Now these articles are filtered according to the date that you have mentioned there. Now let me explain you how to choose an article. Number one, look for articles from reputed journals or conferences. And number two, prefer articles that have been cited many times. Here you can see this article is cited by 39 people. It usually means they are trustworthy. Now let's open one. You can choose whichever you like, but I have already chosen one, which is a comparative study on ciphertext policy attribute-based encryption schemes. Now, do not worry if it looks overwhelming. Research papers have a structure. You do not have to read it like a novel from top to bottom. Now, let me explain you the structure of an article or a research paper. Here is how I read it. The first is abstract. This is your summary. Read this first to see what the paper is all about. It starts from here. The second one is introduction. This gives you context, background, and sometimes even definitions. And at last, there is a conclusion. Skip ahead and read the conclusion to know what they have found. Visuals help you understand things faster. Like this one. And the last but not least is skim the body. Now, in my case, in case of ciphertext articles, you'll often see terms like encryption, decryption, symmetric, asymmetric keys, block ciphers, stream ciphers, and so on. But in your case, it must be different. So make a habit of Googling anything you do not understand. Trust me, it is totally normal. Now, tips for taking notes. Keep a notebook or digital document while reading. Write down key definitions, what problem the paper is solving, any new terms you want to learn about. Reading research paper may seem hard at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually super powerful. So this is how you search and read an article. If you like this breakdown or want more study guidelines like this, do not forget to hit that like button. So if you have any questions or if you want to give us feedback, tell us in the comment section and see you in the next one. Till then, stay curious and keep learning. Allah Hafiz.